Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you unrestrict someone on your messenger. So this video is all about how can you restrict someone or how can you unrestrict someone on your messenger application that is powered by Facebook and the parent organization is Meta. So let's start this video. Firstly, we just have to go on our messenger application on my mobile phone. So guys, restriction is a setting by which you can restrict any chat, like if someone is irritating you, sending again and again message to you, how can you stop their messages? So you just have to restrict their profile or restrict their chat so that they will send anything we will want reach into your chats. So this is all about video. How can you ignore them and how can you restrict them? Firstly, I will show you how can you restrict a person which is like sending you again and again message. How can you do that thing? Firstly, I will select this profile, like this is Aarti Singh here, and what I have to do, I will click on the left top of screen, that is this profile here, and scroll to the down. On the bottom last three option you will see restrict, block and the report. So just click on the restrict option here and the chat will be restricted. Aarti is restricted, you can see. And if you want to unrestrict that, click on the unrestrict option here and it will be unrestricted. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will be with the next and the best video with all of you. If you have any suggestion, any queries, any confusion regarding any topic or any application, so just drop it into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.